NASA is celebrating the Hubble Space Telescope's 34th birthday with this elegant image of the Little Dumbbell Nebula, also known as Messier 76, or just M76 for short. This planetary nebula, an expanding shell of gas around an aging star, was created when a dying star cast off its outer layers. It's located 3,400 light-years away in the constellation Perseus. M76 is composed of a ring seen edge-on as the central bar structure and two lobes on either opening of the ring. Before the star burned out, it ejected the ring of gas and dust. The ring was likely sculpted by a binary companion star, which may eventually have been consumed by the primary star. The primary star is collapsing to form a white dwarf. It is one of the hottest stellar remnants known at a scorching 250,000 degrees Fahrenheit, 24 times our Sun's surface temperature. The sizzling white dwarf is visible as a pinpoint in the center of the nebula. Pinched off by the disk, two lobes of hot gas are escaping from the top and bottom of the belt along the star's rotation axis that is perpendicular to the disk. These lobes are being propelled by the hurricane-like outflow of material from the dying star, tearing across space at 2 million miles per hour. This torrential stellar wind is plowing into cooler, slower-moving gas that was ejected at an earlier stage in the star's life when it was a red giant. Ferocious ultraviolet radiation from the superhot star is causing the gases to glow. Because Hubble orbits above Earth's atmosphere, it can give us these clear views of the many wonders in our universe. For 34 years, the Hubble Space Telescope has changed the way we think of space and our place in the cosmos. Hubble has refined our understanding of the age of the universe and its rate of expansion. Its deep field images have made it possible for us to see across billions of light years, revealing ancient adolescent galaxies that we can compare with our own Milky Way. Closer to home, Hubble is revealing vibrant activity in our solar system and in other star and planetary systems across the galaxy. Hubble remains in good health and is expected to continue its exploration of the universe for years to come with unique capabilities that complement other telescopes like Webb. 5 astronaut servicing missions, along with an expert technical team on the ground, have kept the telescope at the peak of its scientific capabilities. You can find out more about the Hubble Space Telescope at our website, nasa.gov/Hubble, and on social media @NASA Hubble.